Hi, Tony here. This video is in regards to Golden Tee Golf. I'm reading your message, and I'm not 100% sure what you mean by would it be possible for you to send me the direct YouTube link. So right now, I'm basically creating a YouTube video, and I'm shutting the disk drive, and I'm going to. And this is on a Windows 7 machine, but the error is identical on the Vista and the XP machine with that repeating sound. Let me just turn my sound up a bit. So here I'll play Golden Tee Golf, and then you'll notice within maybe 5-10 seconds it starts repeating a loop over and over.
Hi, I'm Peter Jacobson, and welcome to Golden Tee Golf.
So there you can see it going da-da-da-da-da-da-da. I'm going to put the sound back on.
All right, let's have a great round today.
And now you can see the sound has went away. I mean, I've been able to, I'm not a good golfer it looks like, but I've been able to replicate that sound on every computer. So, I mean, I'd be happy to ship this one to you, but if it's doing the exact same thing, and I'm really embarrassed that I can't do this, I guess sending this out wouldn't do much. But give this video a watch, and let me know if this is what you want.